have faith in the office of the
Mr.
governor.
Rajshekharan calling for the governor's resignation. That's what some DMK leaders have also said today. Sumit Peer, what do you make of these calls for the resignation post the verdict of the governor of Tamil Nadu? And also, do you believe this is setting a precedent for other Raj Bhavans in the country as well, the order today?
Well, thank you very much for having me on your show. Look, it's a very good question which you have asked. First of all, we respect the decision of Honorable Supreme Court, as every Indian does, with all the due respects. But even for this particular case or for this particular situation, you can always go to a higher bench, with these options are always open. It's not done and dusted. There's no further legal recourse available. That is a notion which is being carefully being crafted about. Second thing is, you are trying to get BJP and RSS into everything, because that's possibly helps some people to make their political fortunes. And third thing is, look, if you expect a governor who's a constitutional head to be a lame duck, to be somebody who is just a rubber stamp, kuch bhi aaya, sign kar diya, well, that is not going to happen. And if you look at the stature of Mr. Ravi, look at his professional background, personal background, there are some things which he objected to. There are 10 odd bills. For example, Uday, if you talk of, if the Honorable State Assembly decides that the killers of Rajiv Gandhi should be let go, they've spent enough years in the jail. Well, technically they can do it, but was Rajiv Gandhi ji only Prime Minister of Tamil Nadu or entire India? Well, this becomes the issue wherein the sentiments of 1.4 billion people are involved. And governor, in its wisdom, if he opposes to such kind of legislations, says, let me send to the president or let me send to somebody higher, or let's kind of deliberate more on it. Is this the right thing to do or not? Well, you cannot say that, the governor is biased. If you want to unilaterally choose your vice chancellors and say, no vice chancellor.
My friend is beating around the bush. He is not coming to the point.
Let me complete, sir. And I say,
CM, you are diverting the whole topic.
No, I'm talking of the merits of the case, sir. He said, look, CM will be de facto the vice chancellor of 32 universities. Those kind of things, the governor has the right to bring it up. Now, if you can see it as a constitution, you can see it as an interference and all. If governor was there to interfere, he would have interfered in anything. Why only 10 bills? Why not 100 bills? Why not 500 bills? Because there was some point of contention which was there, and he was right within that, as his constitutional duties to interfere, kind of ask for further discussions or deliberations or sending them to the Honorable President what his job is. Now the Supreme Court has ruled and they have set a timeline which is okay. But it is not that, it is a win for, DMK, it's a loss for BJP, it's a loss for RSS, and governor should resign. Why should the governor resign? He's a very competent person, he's a very honest person. What is the point of him resigning? I mean, we have discussed on debate, and Mr. Rajshekharan has been here. There have been various fiascos which Mr. Stalin has been trying to start and trying to, they all backfired. So does that mean that Mr. Stalin should resign? No. What is the point of resignation? You want to make it a political...
The governor must be a political person.
You're not looking at the merits of the case. Governor is not a political person, sir.
No, he should be a political person. But he is becoming a political person. That is what I'm trying to emphasize here.
He's not from BJP.
I'm trying to emphasize that governor has become a political
very hard
BJP.
The picture of BJP RSS, which is not there.
So, no, it is true. You check his track record. You check his track record. You check what affinity he has towards BJP and RSS.
All the governors are impartial then? You are saying the post...
Sir, my friend, you have to understand a governor should be
what is the guarantee when new governor comes, he doesn't
Short intervention, sir.
I mean, what is the guarantee, sir?
Are there wider ramifications between Vijay Kumar?
Again, we have to go to the Supreme Court.
Your liking will determine the governor is good or bad. If he doesn't interfere in your scheme of things, he's good. Mr.
Vijay Kumar, are there wider ramifications of this verdict today? Are there wider ramifications between Vijay Kumar of this verdict today and other Raj Bhavans as well, or should this be limited to just the limited bills looked at by the Supreme Court in this case today in Tamil Nadu? Mithun Vijay Kumar, come in here. Mithun Vijay Kumar, come in here. That question was for you.
Sir, you have misunderstood the whole episode of governor's actions. That is very unfortunate.
And that is your notion, sir.
No.
See, actually, understanding is here. It is a point. It is not the question of governor is a good guy or a bad guy. Here it's a question of constitution being followed or not. That is what Supreme Court has said. For you, governor may be good. For me, governor may be bad. But that is not the That is not a choice. The choice is the constitution. Constitution has given some roles and responsibilities in the democracy that has to be followed. The governor, who is the nominee, is not an elected person, cannot jump into everything. The Supreme Court in its judgment has categorically said it is a democratically elected person and the government and the assembly which is more responsible for the welfare of the governor. Today it is RN Ravi, sir. Tomorrow he will go somewhere. But we, people of Tamil Nadu who are here, who are fighting elections, meeting the people, are the ultimate representative of the democracy of the state. So governor has no say. And coming to your very valid point of the Rajiv killers being
okay.
released before
okay. Okay, we also